Now, my compatriots all over the world, hear our dear Sir Nigel Rizal, Darius Bokiren, is holding my poster, the poster of the inspired by Saint Joseph phototext publication entitled The Spiritual History of the University of the Philippines for the World. And that is the Sacred Prophetic Covenant marker of His Excellency, President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., as inspired by St. Teresa of the Child Jesus, St. Joseph, St. Padre Pio on September 23, 2023. And this is the UP Covenant Monument in UP Diliman, University of the Philippines, Quezon City, a legacy project of UP System President Alfredo E. Pascual, funded by Rizal Blumentritt Pamatalaan Academy President Rafael Abelino Morales. And now, with this offering, we also offer our 2016 pilgrimage, our March to April 2016 pilgrimage, Sacred Prophetic Pilgrimage to America, sponsored by Rizal Blumentritt Pamatalaan Academy in cooperation with the Vallejo, USA Bleeding Heart Association, Our Lady of the Bleeding Heart Association. Amen.